Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the phone app to open to last view on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone app. Then in here, tap on the more button at the top. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on open to last view. And that's it when you are viewing a certain things in your phone app. So let's say if I go to the contacts tab, then if I go back to my home screen and if I reopen the phone app, it will open up to the last view. And the other option is to open up. So if I go to keypad, I can choose open to keypad. So that even if I'm in contacts now, you can see that if I go back to the home screen and if I reopen the phone app, it will always open to keypad. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.